How to use terminal to delete all
SVN folders recursively. What command can I type into the terminal so that I can delete all .svn folders within a folder, and from all subdirectories, but not delete anything else?
Use find, which does recursion in the current directory. File type is directory. File name is svn. Print what matched up to this point, the svnders. Exec the command rmrf thing found from find. The is a placeholder for the entity found. The tells find that the command for exec is done. Since the shell also has an idea of what is you need to escape it with, so that the shell doesn't do anything special with it, and just passes to find.
이마저의 첫 성공을 거친 걸 프리랜서가 스타일이